Let's take a look at 4 core strategies to grow your business with lookalike audiences. The first strategy is to build up your fan base. You can select your current fan base as a source and then just create a lookalike audience that is similar to your current fans. Then just reach out to them and ask them to become your fans. Or what about website visitors? Just select a website custom audience, create a lookalike audience based on that website custom audience, and then just reach out to people who are similar to the ones who have already visited your website. This is great if you want to build up a blog, if there is a certain set of readers who come to your website over and over again. Well, then just reach out to the ones who are similar to the ones who are already consuming your content. Or how about customers? If there is someone who already paid you, then hey, great, just create a lookalike audience and reach out to people who have already handed you some money, who already purchased your product or your service, instead of targeting strangers who are different from your current customers. Just ask Facebook to take a closer look at the core demographics of people who have already bought from you and then just reach out to them. And last but not least, lookalike audiences are a great way to build up your email list. So you can select your email subscribers as a source and then just create a lookalike audience that consists of Facebook users who are similar to the ones who have already opted in to your email list. Now, probably there are even more ways to use lookalike audiences, but these are the main ones. So if you want to grow your business, if you already have some internal data, then use that data to grow your fan base, to get more website visitors, to get more customers, and to build up your email list.